हे ब्रो, क्या देख रही है?
ओ तो ये एक मूवी है जिसमें कुछ लड़कियां अर्थ से लेके मून तक का पाथ कैलकुलेट करती हैं।
बट फर्स्ट स्टेप मैन का था, तो you're telling me a woman propagated that?
आई नो राइट। एंड ऐसी और भी कितनी चीजें होंगी जो वुमेन ने इन्वेंट की होंगी एंड वो रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं हुई आज तक।
That's very true. In this male-dominated world, जहाँ हमारी histories भी men ने लिखा है, I think there is some dirt to this. We can find it out. Women have invented things that you've never heard of. Neither have we. Let's figure it out.
इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिएगा
Because end पे है एक giveaway question.
और उसको आंसर करके आपको मिल सकता है एक बिग बास्केट वाउचर। सो तुझे पता है पहला डिस्पोजेबल डायपर किसने बनाया था? आई मीन इट इज अ गेम चेंजर फॉर पेरेंट्स अभी। सोच अगर डिस्पोजेबल डायपर्स नहीं होते तो क्या होता?
40 other.
So it's Marion Donovan and back in the 1940s she created the first disposable diaper. Shark curtain होता है ना, उसको निकाल के she cut it into pieces and then उसको सिल के that was the first disposable diaper. And वो भी because उसके बच्चे को rashes हो रहे थे and इतना ज़्यादा use of cloth is like not possible. Like creativity can be found anywhere.
Even in the washroom. But also मुझे ये बता कि this is such a big invention, अभी भी use हो रहा है, Huggies everywhere. Why was this not like? Why did we not know about it? Limelight क्यों नहीं आया?
यार क्योंकि 1940s was decades ago and तब लोगों को इतनी परवाह नहीं थी। मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को काफी टाइम लग गया ये समझने के लिए कि ये कितना वैल्यूएबल प्रोडक्ट है।
ये कभी you played the keyboard game Monopoly?
Yeah.
But do you know it was invented by a woman?
Really?
It was an anti-capitalist move. It was invented by this woman called Elizabeth Maggie Phillips. Or she first called it the landlord's game. Now, game में क्या हुआ था? She was an anti-monopolist. Now, how do you make the world understand? That was crazy about monopoly, right? They were like, oh, you know, I have my own restaurant, I have my own cafe, I want to start this, I want to start that. So what she started doing is she created a game, and because you know how to play Monopoly, and for the people who don't, it's this game where once your dice moves and you get a number and you keep skipping steps and you take roadblocks and you start buying property. But the next time another person comes and crosses your property,
They have to pay the tax.
They have to pay the tax. So now that was the theory of the 1900s.
Damn.
Okay, she said there should be
that
one government tax instead of multiple monopoly taxes. Right, getting to know about so many inventions is fun, but
भूख तो लगी जाती है। बिग बास्केट से मंगवाए?
हाँ, 10 मिनट में आ गया चे।
तुझे पता है ये स्क्वायर बॉटम पेपर बैग्स किसने बनाए थे?
बिग बास्केट ने, टाटा ने
नहीं, ये मार्गरेट नाइट 1868 में बनाया था। 1868 कितना पुराना टाइम है यार। एंड तुझे पता है एक बंदा था चार्ल्स एलन नाम का जिसने इसका डिजाइन चुरा लिया था।
Of course.
टिपिकल मैन, oh my god dude. What she did was she took him to the court and she got the patent. She won it and she was the first woman to do so. ना खा खा के मेरा पेट भर गया।
We're feeling stuffy. सोच, in the 1900s, women must have felt so bad क्योंकि वो कॉर्सेट पहनते थे। 2-3 लोग लग गए थे उनको टाइट करने के लिए।
Thank God we have bras now. I mean it's a breather.
Absolutely. But talking of a bra, did you know it was invented by a woman?
Come on guys, ये तो किसी वुमन ने ही बनाया होगा क्योंकि वही हमारा दर्द समझ सकती है।
And it was invented by this person called Caress Corby.
Okay.
1904 में उन्होंने बोला कि भाई मुझे कॉर्सेट पहनना नहीं है. I don't have enough money to have a maid who will tie my corset. So I will use handkerchiefs and ribbons to tie it together and create the modern bra.
Voila.
However, sadly, she sold the patent for this to the Warner Brothers corset company.
Okay.
For, you know what? $1,500.
Just $1,500? She could have been a billionaire today.
It's such a helpful thing. And honestly, in a country or in a world where women have always been restricted from working, this really helps us to do work where we have to move, we have to run.
Yeah.
Imagine being a sports person. How would you do it without a bra?
So you know how like men say that men are better drivers than women? I mean, I feel so offended. Although मुझे driving नहीं आती, but still यार, this is like such a
You likely should.
पार्किंग तो वुमेन को आती है। अरे यार, विंडशील्ड वाइपर्स होते हैं ना, जो कार में सबसे एसेंशियल पार्ट होता है। बिना उसके गाड़ी बिकती नहीं है आजकल। वो किसी औरत ने बनाया था। मैरी एंडरसन 1903. She was visiting New York and then she saw कि कुछ ड्राइवर्स है जो बर्फ कपड़े से हटा रहे हैं। इमेजिन बारिश में कैसे हटा रहे होते तब लोग। एंड यू नो व्हाट्स द सैड पार्ट इज, जब वो पेटेंट करवाने गई कंपनीज ने उसको डिसमिस कर दिया, उसका आइडिया ही रिजेक्ट कर दिया दैट इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट इनफ।
तो देन जब अब सारी गाड़ियां विद वाइपर्स आते,
हाँ, या इयर्स लेटर जब उसका पेटेंट एक्सपायर कर गया तब लोग उसे यूज करने लगे और तब उनको वो वैल्यू पता चली।
हे ब्रो, इतने सारे इन्वेंशंस डिस्कस करते करते मुझे याद आया कि तू बोल रही थी ना, यू वॉच सम मूवी अबाउट वुमेन सेंडिंग men to the moon. उसके बारे में और बताना, क्या होता है?
So Katherine Johnson, with her team, all women by the way, she calculated the trajectory to the moon for 2 missions, which is Freedom 7 1961 and Apollo 11 1969. Apollo 11 went to the moon. She saved them from a major disaster, and because of her calculations, the mission was successful. Matlab, if you think about it, women has excelled in every platform.
Hey, this is iPhone 13, है ना?
Yeah.
Oh, really cool, man. I'm thinking of getting iPhone 16, which was just launched on Big Basket, and eventually I want to get the Mac. Now, Mac से याद आता है
Steve Jobs.
of course. But recently I read that the first electronic computer, the ENIAC, was created by a bunch of women. The ENIAC was actually programmed and controlled by a group of 6 women. The ENIAC was this huge room, a huge computer where all of these 6 women used to program all the systems, and they made that thing work. But as would be as expected, the men spilled over them, never let anybody know that behind those closed doors the computer's been running by these 6 amazing women. Even today, most big organizations, specifically in the technological space with computers, are run by men. Okay, Srijani, imagine a world, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no GPS, no internet streaming, फिर से ISD, STD.
Bro, I can't imagine.
नहीं सोच सकती ना? You know who to thank? A woman. Her name was Hedy Lamarr.
Lamar is Kendrick Lamar.
I knew. I knew it.
By any chance?
What she did during the World War I or II, she was a co-founder of this thing called frequency jumping. A frequency jumping is what facilitates Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and it was this woman that identified a way to make sure you can transfer stuff from one device to another, call people in among distances, make walkie-talkies work, which is also the reason why warfare and people have been safe at the borders. Your social media is running because of not Kendrick Lamar, Hedy Lamarr. क्या है ये?
हेयर स्ट्रेटनर मेरा एक्चुअली खराब हो गया था पुराना वाला, तो इसीलिए ऑर्डर कराया। देख अच्छा है ना,
ये फिलिप्स का नया वाला है ना? रियली कूल। हाँ, अच्छा, इट्स सो यूजफुल,
इट्स वेरी मल्टीपर्पसफुल। सो डू यू नो हेयर स्ट्रेटनर किसने बनाया था? एडा हैरिस इन्वेंटेड हेयर स्ट्रेटनर्स इन 1893।
अ वुमन?
या, एंड वो भी कितने साल पहले। I mean, think about it, man. And also she got her patent in 1893 only. But the sad part is she was often overlooked by this French inventor, Marcel Gratteau, who was famous for curling irons or something, but a man.
Oh God. So another woman being overlooked.
Yeah.
Another woman's inventions being overlooked because of a man.
Yeah.
शीशनी, कभी सोचा है अगर रेफ्रिजरेटर में शेल्स नहीं होते तो?
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
क्यों? एक के ऊपर रख के ऐसे ऐसे अंडे शंडे सब?
Ew, नहीं, this is not possible.
The funny part is 1900s में जब refrigerator was invented, they didn't think about shells only. It was actually thought out by this woman called Lillian Gilbreth. She thought कि भाई रेफ्रिजरेटर में शेल्स तो होने चाहिए, right? I mean, this woman, she was actually very popular for something else. She was known for her concept of time and motion studies also. The sad part is, neither did we know that shells was created by a completely different person, that too a woman. And neither do we even get to know about women in STEM. In the US, you have to have a section of saying women in STEM bolke, you have to give them more importance. Whereas women have always been in the STEM industry. You know, why should one woman pick up their hand in a class full of people where someone is asking, यहाँ scientist कौन बनना चाहता है? Why should more engineering classes have less women and more men? We are changing that. We are toppling that. And that's the fun part of it. And that's what makes Women's Day so special.
So now let's get to the giveaway question, which is who invented square bottom paper bags?
Comment #BB giveaway to win Big Basket vouchers.
Don't forget to like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day, and wait, every day is Women's Day.